Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage.
These videos are going to be as short as I can possibly make them. If you have any questions whatsoever, please go watch the long version, the longest version of these videos. Some of these are going to have short versions, or long versions, short versions, and now even shorter versions. So, but if you need more information, go find the other video on that. If this says shorter version or condensed version or something like that, go find the long version if you have some questions.
Well, I'm sitting next to my Massey Ferguson tractor I affectionately call George. I'm doing all kinds of stuff to it, trying to get it more able to do what I need it to do. And one of those things you might not be able to see, but these tires have got to be 100 years old. They're old Goodyear tires. They still got good tread on them, but they are getting really cracked. And on the other side of this one, this is actually has like a slice all the way down it. And part of the reason I'm doing the work is that the tire's been rubbing on this over here, so it's like all grooved out right here. So, in that aspect, I have bought new tires. Now, these are more tractor tires like you'd have on a tractor like this. Honestly, I can't remember the price as usual, so I will put the price down below. I got them off Amazon, and I'm hoping they work for me. So you can see the last one broke off on me there. I'm going to try this one again. It looks like it might work the way I planned on it. Sometimes you can pull these out just enough to kind of get to the soft spot of this. That was my plan last time, but unfortunately it was so old and decrepit, the end here broke off in here, so the great thing about painting after somebody else is you can blame the runs on the last guy.
Well, thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.